Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you an average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you'll find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channel's functionalities. You'll be able to see videos and you'll see photographs, names of persons who have been killed and are still waiting on justice, like Rifle of the British crew, one of the British of the British crew, and you'll see the people who are involved in the killing of these men and others, including Douglas Chambers, who was killed by PMP criminal organization members, and it came from the top. And to date, the person who have given that order has not been arrested and charged for that murder. So you can go to Patreon and you'll be able to see the face and name of those persons. So thanks for your continued support, and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yeah, so most of you have heard of a man by the name of Beachy Stout, who was convicted with the murder of his second wife in Jamaica. I know that there has been, information that has been circling, on the internet about this detective, that he's the one that's responsible for killing Beachy Stout's first wife, and the detective name is Duncan. So you're going to listen to this man, what he's saying about Detective Duncan's role in killing Beachy Stout's wife. And you watch, you listen, and you decide. And we're not going to add or take away anything from the conversation that this man is talking about, Detective Duncan.
Nah, my work with the brother was build.
Okay, so I'm Virgin. So what am I work with him though?
What am I work with him though? I construction with him, man.
Oh, okay. Am I do construction?
Yeah, I do construction.
Oh.
Yeah, man. All them boys need to come out of the street, man.
Yeah, but what kind of evidence? What kind of evidence you have that him kill Beachy Stout first wife?
Then you know say all the same brother where him did I work with, and that brother there, and that brother there sent for him. That brother there sent for him,
Which brother that?
Him at Jamaica,
Which brother?
Same brother one named Lance,
So who's Lance? When name Lance, who's he?
Yeah, Lance is a brother where I think them used to go to high school together.
The police?
Yeah, him and the police.
So which school the police used to go?
I don't remember which school, you know. You know, brother, I don't remember which school, you know.
So which where the police come from?
Well, the police come from a Portland, him come from, you know.
So where you come from?
St. Anthony come from, man.
But
the road I go round.
The road I go round, so
the road I go round, say him kill the woman.
But rumor different from facts, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but when me ask the you can't know because I'm a eye to, you know.
Who are I? The police?
Yeah, the police why I do.
Oh, why you call it the farmer police boy?
No, alright. Because I know say your man rebel and you still want to give a man respect.
Yeah. Never said for go on them thing, ne?
Yeah, him name Duncan. Yeah. Him a hide door.
Hide from who?
No man, because two women.
That's why I ask you. You say my hide and I ask you who am I hide from? I hide from police, who am I hide from?
Well, the most that him I hide from police and him I hide from the girl people them or whatever, because everybody know when there.
Okay.
Everybody know when there.
But if there's no evidence, there's no evidence to charge him for nothing on them thing, you know, you understand?
Alright, so alright, let me ask you a question now. What kind of evidence they will look for?
Oh, the police them?
Yeah.
They have to have evidence of time on the hearsay. Hearsay you can't carry hearsay go court. You have to have evidence, you have to have, you know, whether circumstantial evidence or direct evidence or any kind of evidence where you can use it time to the case. You can't just get up and just say, boy, because you know what I'm saying? Because there's a video on the channel where I talk to him, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? I talk to him about it and them thing. And I like any time I talk to him know that I was having a conversation with him about it. And one time I release it and them thing there. So I don't like some to give him a heads up or anything like that.
Yeah.
Because I don't like some to know him or anything, you understand? So I just talk to him and him talk freely. And based on him, if you check out the channel and them thing, you will find. And based on what he's saying, you know, him say it has stemmed from somebody in a Beachy Stout family. So what he's saying and them thing then about the case itself. Himself and him have some plausible thing. Cause him say if him and Beachy Stout in a friend, him say him did want to buy one house and him go to Beachy Stout. So him show you say him and Beachy Stout and a friend. And him say see him also him tell Beachy Stout but Beachy Stout buy the house and give one of him daughter.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So him show you something. So him say it all has start by one of Beachy Stout nephew and all of them thing there. So you understand? But if you even go and check out the channel to further, you will realize you know you have some police now where they are Portland and them the man the Beachy Stout did afraid because then the man they literally beat a man buy a car from Beachy Stout and then he borrow back the money from Beachy Stout and no him not pay him back because Beachy Stout in a drugs. Beachy Stout fee said the man knows him in a drugs and him afraid for ask the man fee money because I'm bad police.
Okay.
Yeah, so the police where you accuse him involved in this and that and them thing there. You know, I just somebody just start that up on him. So you understand? So you know there's no truth. There's no
never wind him up.
Yes, it depends on the channel one. There's no truth to it and them thing there. Hey, look here, you see when people don't like you when you see when you're a bad police. Cause he was a bad police, don't it?
Yeah, man.
Then let's say, good man. That's all right. You see, that's what I know. You see, when you're bad police and them thing, especially when you lick down all of a criminal in our police era, you're going to have your detractor them. You know, people hate you. So it's when people hate you, any little thing when them feel them can use a link if you tarnish your reputation and destroy you. Yeah, that's how them do. You understand?
Because I'm not even that no, you know. The man them not even want to give no work, you know.
Who?
The Duncan, the man them not want to give no work again.
Up on New York?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I saw rumor go on them thing that, alright, may I tell you this now? I don't know, alright, may I tell you this? Because I don't know if you know. You know, alright, you know, so them start, you know, say over a year ago, them start a rumor against me. I'm soon tell you, I know the only reason why I'm not even go forward with certain things. I just wait till I can get some other bigger fishing night, so them have to mind me for the rest of my life.
Yeah.
You understand? That's why I'm in a team. So that's why I'm in a team. It start by one named Wayne Uglyson, the brother named Lewinson.
Yeah.
When him get this boy named Footer Hype, that time boy. Him love talk about yeah, brother there, him and is a him and one girl. You understand? And them started say this girl me not even know her. Me have her number everything, but we soon deal with them. But me just wait like for another big YouTuber like Uglyson when we can stay, when we can collarbone now and then. Me know say me ruin them for the rest of my life.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So same like the same, you know, like how you know Chris Duncan in a bad police and them thing there. I don't know much money down at Portland. You understand? I'm not really care because I found a police hard worker. You understand? So me I tell you this now. So like me, you know, the amount of things where people accuse me of. Try free. See him ugly something. Him get all people for come on them channel for say me kill all man and them sleep. One thing me talk about things when I do when I police and them thing. No. I'm gonna make no apologies for anything I'm doing in my police life or my military life. I'm gonna discuss because only a fool boasts about how much people them kill. Because when you kill a man and them thing, no matter how bad the man was, me don't know how people come by ego by that and them thing. Because that not advance your life in a no way. It not do nothing for you personally. Unless you are somebody where I think about your ego and feel like say boy, because you kill this amount of people are going to afraid of you or people are going to love you or you feel say you're on one different level. I don't see life like that because even although I'm one wicked and you understand what I'm saying, I have to defend yourself, I'm still alive. So that's not something for people boast about, but people still do it anyway. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so based on that now, I have holy enemies. Enough people, I want to tell you say, it's like most of the people they never know me, they won't go hear my name, and if them see me, them couldn't hide. Although me a street detective, most of the people they never know me, they won't go know my name. You understand? So me have only for enemy. So as me tell you, so him now, him get all people, about 4 people all him get pan for him program come, so them witness how me you know, me kill this man and me kill that the man there, and me thief all ganja and carga. Bullbee go give people. I don't know nobody a bullbee and them thing. I'm a thief. I don't like thief in police.
Yeah.
Period.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So I don't like them. So that's why that's one of the biggest reason why most police don't like me. Because I talk all the while, so I don't like thief in police. So when a man I get all a man now if you come tell lies, say I'll tell lie upon all a woman are dead. You're wicked. Because all the women them attack me not even know. I don't know nobody a bullbee. Period. When I say no, I don't know nobody out there personally. And number one, if me not thief, number one, me not like thieving. And if me a man when I want for thief ganja, one of the biggest ganja find is a youth named Kiki. Them him sell one weed named Alaska weed at Jamaica. And me are the first police and 2 other police. Then I run down one boy named Scully. I find him good 40 pound of weed. Me in charge, I want a detective to do and lock him up. Me tell the man, cause to me a Kingston and I get where me come from. So me I tell him say look here. In case cause a country him come from and a brother other police come from St. Mary. And me I tell him say look here. You say if we didn't run down the boy, we wouldn't buck up on this man in the where I sell weed on a Cockburn pen. Near to York Avenue. One brother named Kiki. So me tell him say in case you don't know, you see now ghetto, men like him a part of the economy, an underground economy, although it's illegal. If we don't run down the boy, one boy named Scully, we want to find him. So yeah, we don't got trouble man them thing there. 40 pound of weed in at 90s, you know. That's them think that say that would you know lock him up for possession of ganja, dealing, taking step to export and all kind of thing. Plus him didn't even have all money there and them thing there.
Yeah.
You understand? Cause I cut him alone I cut up him ganja, you know, and I bag it and them thing there. And we talk to the police and we allow him and them thing there. So if this man did, you know, corrupt on them thing there, that was a way of me could have make a whole heap of money right there. So you understand?
Right, yeah.
Yeah. And
So let me ask you, so all foot I get involved in your thing.
yeah, so him now, we did stay some one public WhatsApp group and him coming out and him get this girl long, so it's all have to do with politics, you know, PMP, because I PMP, so them coming out group and then this girl, him make, I don't know if it's a AI, but it's a girl that post it, me have all our number and them thing there. Well, you understand, so me come out Jamaica when me in the military, but because them don't know nothing about me, so them try for, and it come from I don't know which PMP criminal organization police. Cause most of them are PMP, you know. I tell you, if you listen to Sir P last week, you hear Sir P, you hear him tell about the clansman and the one done. You listen to that video?
Yeah.
Alright, who you hear him do who you hear him address the video directly to? Which group of people in Jamaica?
The clansman them.
No man. Now which group of people he was addressing when he do the video? Who he was addressing directly in Jamaica?
Oh. Really.
You know, remember? I police them in my address. They police them in Jamaica. I police them, see them on a set. I show them a PMP, them a set. The police was now do nothing but one order. And him assure them say the magnitude of clansman one order be able to them, because one order come long after them and them grow and become this monster. So I say PMP is not a political party, but he must say like how me said. So that him have to do to the police. You understand?
So when I say the brother the in power brother one named C4. The C4 I tell him say the man them control about 120 players.
Then
exact money from.
Yeah, alright, that for sure. So that's why I would tell you, say you can't compare the PMP and the GLP, because the PMP is not a political party, it's a criminal organization. Anytime you have a political party anytime you have a party that is leaning towards criminal, that is not a political party, it's a criminal organization. And government, you live in America, you know any government in America will want to reduce if you know any politician will want to reduce sentence and murder around them thing there. You know, it's the people that run them out of office, don't it?
Yeah, hell yes.
Okay, and alright, so that me tell you say PMP is a criminal organization. You know, so when people don't like you, them start all kind of rumor upon you and them thing there. So that's why. Yeah, so
yeah man, black people that do good for you, man.
Yeah.
Man don't like you. I remember one time a man don't like you, man say, yo, it's the boy that batty man.
yeah man, alright, you see.
Come kill it right away.
Alright, two things when them use two things when them use at Jamaica for mash you up. To say you're a batty man, or them say boy you're a child molester. Them thing, you understand?
Yeah.
So them try what them do try I'm telling you now, them try the murderer thing, so boy means that them say boy me a hired it man. A whole heap of people may get paid for kill. All of them things that them say about me, you know, which are not true. Cause number one, no man can't pay me for doing them something there, because I have morals. You understand? Yeah. Me not tell you like, me involved in a shooting and them thing, man. Me know have police will collect money. You understand? Cause them say at them and them thing there. Cause when people I tell them say no, me not them something and them thing there. I tell a man say, hey look here, don't me know why you do them thing there. And me can't call out the police near Ox. You understand? Them do them to me some man me work them with them thing there. You understand? No man can't pay me. Hey one time, you know, so as me tell you them thing there, you see people when people don't like you, them will start all kind of rumor against you and all kind of lies, you know. So when you come on to the brother now, Chris with Chris, as me tell you, me talk to him and he not even know so me I talk to him. You understand? As me talk to him and him not even know. So if him did feel like, if you know, and him just the man just talk, is the only thing is that it's just because he not talk to the people them out there. But there's 2 videos on the channel with him. And if this man did involve in a killing a Beachy Stout first wife. You know, there's no evidence on them thing there. The man that even did know when the man that even did in a Portland and the woman dead. You understand? Alright, may I show you what people stay. So you see a video I do this morning. A good thing you talk about Chris now, you talk about the brother. You see the video when we release this morning with a brother there, he might rape her, you know. The brother, he might done, you know. He must have done, you know. A Waterhouse, a brother there. So, and him rape a little 14-year-old pick me, you know, and get her pregnant. You understand? So, boy, you listen to me, you know. Him now, you know, the same brother, you know. So, him now, him do a video now about me, you know, say, boy, me, you know, them, just like how people hate Chris or Portland and them thing there, I only a criminal in a St. Andrew South police area, Huntsville police area, even any other place and them thing there, hate me because the kind of detective I was. You understand? Because me not take prisoner, I just me that. If I kill people and them thing there, you never kill me. So, this soldier brother, I not even remember when name, Campbell, in 1999, them have a gas riot at Jamaica and them thing there. You understand? For sure, your Jamaican people are them dumb. And remember, say little of them still vote for PJ, Patterson, PMP.
PMP, yeah.
Yeah, so them have the gas riot and them thing there. This soldier did involve in a attack upon the police station and all kind of thing, and them shoot and them shot him and kill him. Hey, look here, I am the police, you know, that went to see you, and open that police station in 1996. And them have them reason why them send me down there. When I was there, that was during the election, no man no fire no shot down there and them thing there. Because them know me from a long time, you know, and them know say me is not the kind of police where me not play with criminal, period. And them know it, so you understand. So when them open these station, they make sure them parade me and make them say this a man here, this a detective, him one of them are down here. So I try as detective them go there. But I me them really use, you understand, as a face in the station, yeah. So them know me and them, you understand. Anyway, that was 1996. 1996 after election and PNP win again and them thing there. You know, then me go on some leave and me never go back and see you. Cause you understand, cause them they just send me down to see election and them thing. If you keep down the calm. In 1999 gas riot. So the boy now him put up a video now say, I don't know if a traction him want for him YouTube video, but if he want traction for him YouTube video, him could just call me and mother just put him on the channel. Cause look here, I only put channel me advertise for my channel. Me not even know the people them, you know.
Yeah, man, we know man.
Me not even know the people.
Certain thing where you say, boy, yo, let's go over Serpy, and check it out.
Yeah, man. Hey, look here, me send people. Even the woman where do what's her name, Natalie, where the politics uncover. Even all the time she never get no advertisement on her video. Me make sure know that you know me depend them live until I say no, I don't run for your thing, you know. You understand? So hey, look here, as me tell a man and them thing there. You see, with this crab in a barrel business, me not know that and them thing there, because in a YouTube. You know, so me send people. You have a look. I want to tell you say, my brother when you dance news or review. Me not tell you like me like him commentary, him funny and them thing there. I may I'll subscribe to him channel. You understand? I look here. Most time when people subscribe to my channel, me subscribe back to theirs. Yeah. I just even if I man even have one subscriber, I still subscribe to him. Cause I am not superior to others. Me never see myself as superior to people, or I feel I'm better than them. So the brother, yeah, man.
You think real, man. That's how I like to listen to your thing, you know.
Then I say, I have never seen myself as superior to anyone of them thing. So the thing is that no.
And our next brother, like listen to your man.
So the thing is that now with the brother here now when he Jubi, the child molester, him now. He put up a video and I said, boy, he want to ask about the soldier, the killing of a soldier in a gas riot. I was not there and I remember saying, you know, in 96, I got to see you, I spend a little time down there, you understand? When it come on to, after after election, me go up on some leave and thing, and then when we return at Jamaica, me never go back there. You understand? So me never go back and see you. So him now put out a video that's about him want me to answer about him want me to answer about the Corporal Campbell JD of the killing of him. Yeah. Because me know so me no know I wasn't there. And me know the police that was there, my brother named Evan Blake. So me send it to him. You understand? Because somebody sent it to me. And me say alright, so me send it to him. So Blake answer him and them thing. Him never satisfied about it, you know. He not satisfied with Blake I say, because Blake I tell him and the other and him audience say, look, Detective Porter wasn't there, him not in the station I see you at the time and them thing. So and him don't know nothing about that, and him no recall seeing me down here that day, and him a tell them, him and the audience, boy, how me and some other police engage with people them in a shootout and them thing, and when the man get shot we all help him and them thing, and Porter never did it. So him a tell them that, you know. So him now, the same man now, him a say, him literally I tell the police, oh, me no busy what you want to say, you know. Him them say kill the man and him. So him get all the man now, you know, if he say, boy, him see me and all of them thing there. And so what me I tell, at first, this is the second time I talk. You say when the 1999 gas riot one, United States of America me there. Me not in the Jamaica. United States of America. No police can't say them even see me. Yeah, me there in America when that happened.
So let me ask you something.
So because
what do you think I gonna be the end game? For going on at Jamaica now? What do you think?
The only way we can fix Jamaica, we have to fix it. We have to fix the PMP criminal organization. And them, PMP are the problem for you people, you know. The PMP are the one that all of the law them. If you listen to what them talking, the PMP is not a political party; it's a criminal organization, you know. Anytime, as me tell you already, them thing. Anytime you have a political party or any party where sympathetic to criminal and have lenient to criminal, it's not a political party; it's a criminal organization. Remember saying, Mark Golding, you know, at 8 to 12 years, him say one for murder and for them get parole, you know, because guess what? All the Fim family them are dead. Fim family are poor. And Fim family are black. But black people are dummy, you know, them not no sense, you know, them love kill one another. Whilst the Jamaica Labour Party, I say, the Prime Minister I say 45 years to life. In one, Paula Llewellyn were born as a conservative. She say hang them for hang. That's why they don't want her there. So she make we get the 50 year. You understand? IPMP dismantle everything we keep law, for keep we safe, you know. But most Jamaican people don't realize that. So as me telling on the video I saw repeated last week, the reason why he came out so forcefully and vice versa against the police is because I think when I say against this government, because them are politics, all know them are police, them are political activists. So them same one, you know, that's what I tell you, say criminals cannot survive without corrupt police. Because when you understand, as a hear him say, Sir P come from a PMP community, you know. The same brother, you see the same police where you talk about, Chris Duncan.
Yeah.
Him know Sir P, you know. Him know him too, you know. And him know which way him come from and know everything about him too. I tell you, I ask him, I tell you. You understand? Yeah, man, so I don't.
You know, man, on the side to work, man. And some of the man come from Mobi and the man said, nah, I touch back the center, brother. Nah, come back the stuff, brother.
Yeah, man, him not have nothing to do with it and them thing. Because the man say him nothing did dead. Two videos upon the channel about it and them thing. I talk to him and him not even know say me I talk to him. Because even him I say, boy, he never even know say me I record him. He can't be all upset. You understand? I mean, I say, look here, our transparency in the bridging, that's why I ask him, all I question them, I ask you and them thing there, you understand? Because everybody I say, can I get all them number and them thing, like, this is the way people them I say, are you, this and that, you understand?
Yeah.
And based on it upon the channel, we not edit nothing, we not take out anything, we just put it just like how, you know, we talk to him. Because I just transparency and them thing there. And based on all I answer, I believe him, you understand? You see, just like how,
you know, yeah.
Yeah, you understand? So, I lie them I tell upon him, man. I saw people do still do, you know. So just like how me I tell, so it's the same like how them tell lie upon him. You know much lie people. You know much lie people. Since me have this YouTube channel, you know how many lies me have to deal with. If me if you answer amount of allegation that my people make against me, them even say, alright, may I show you this now, you know, how people stay, you know. So as me tell you now, with footer hype the man them thing. So them say me come to Jamaica, when me in military, you know, and them don't even know which branch me in military. When me in maybe army or woman, you know. So there's no victim. So one girl and the girl look big for her age and she under 16. Really. You understand? And me come to Jamaica, but them say which year, you know. For sure, because I saw PMP criminal organization support of them staying. Them don't say which year me come to Jamaica. Them say me in the military. Them say me call them, you know. So which telephone number me call it from? You understand? I said me in touch with them, and because me a bad police and me a bad police, them did afraid, so they not gonna report me. So who's this girl? Who's this little girl where them a claim say me trouble? Me not mess with me not mess with Pitney. Period.
No man.
You understand? No. So at that me I tell you, I saw a PMP criminal organization. You don't know them, you know, man. When them a spread propaganda. So remember, you know, whether you like Darrell Vaz or you don't like him, you know. You know, say Darrell Vaz. And although the American come out, you know, and said Darrell, this girl, when them say Diane Smith, when them say, you know, them at 1983, the girl did them. Tell me I got high school, you know.
Yeah.
Cause me never go through Constant Spring for go my school. In 1983, when the girl was killed, actually police go on the scene, you know. Bigger Ford, Dadrick Henry, and Arthur Fabs, 3 detectives. At no time that thing the name never mentioned tonight, Darrell Vaz. You know when Darrell Vaz name start now linked to it? 1986 when I run for council at Barbican. Them telling me I got high school, you know. So you want to tell me now? Yeah. So me not eat that, you know. You want to tell
them claims that Darrell Vaz father he have
police.
He used to take the rap charty.
Yeah man, you know, hey miss, you know, hey look here, me say that me I tell you, Johnson, me born and grow on them people, you know. You don't know them people are them wicked, you know. I tell you, you know, I saw them still when when them ready, you know, for destroy your life, you know. Remember saying, you know, rumors are started by haters and carried by fools and believed by idiots. That's why I call them dummies. So when them start that thing against Darrell Vaz, you understand? It's all because them starting at 86. I know why them started. Because Darrell Vaz are run for office, a councillor in a Barbican, and them don't want it, so them are use that. Because them know so once them use that against him, that a kind of tarnish him reputation. So
yeah.
You understand? And people believe it.
Let me ask a question. You know what police name Dick?
You know what?
Dick.
Nick what?
Dick. D-I-C-K.
Dick. From where?
I'm Spanish town in Muslim, man. You used to ride bike.
No, I don't know. I'm also detective. The uniform police, I know, are the one that I work with. And street police and them thing there, you know. You understand? I'm also detective, man, and them thing there. And when I say detective, and I PR detective, them a police way.
Detective,
yes.
Like Jerry.
Yeah. You understand? Man, like, I police them were, you know, like, you saw all the youth out of Kingston East when them Cranston, them youth there. You understand? And I know the man them like up half a tree, one of them dead Scotty, and you know, and you have some other police up on North and where they are flying squad. But some of them, although them are bad police, some of them are thief. I mean, me can't like, me don't understand it. Oh, you're bad police and thief. But man, them say, boy, you can't be bad police and a thief. And that is not true, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, police and robber.
Yeah, man. Hey, look here. How old heap of them, man? Me see them promote all 3 police to soup. Them the man never even fire a shot in their life in a police force. Let me tell you. So them know how it feel to go out there and take fire from gunman. From gunmen. But I yet see that them promote. In
police and everything there. I'm gonna fit up on the street and move up.
You're not supposed to have the experience, man. In a military, you know. In the United States military, you know, you can't get promotion, you know, as somebody in charge unless you have the experience, you know. And most of these guys where I get promotion are paper tiger them, you know. You understand? But you don't know politics and them connected, and some of them are rear admiral and all them things. You understand?
Yeah, man. Now, you know, say we always a look out on that. Cause you know, say from long time, Eddie always a look out from that. So remember when the next time I said, boy, Eddie can't breathe nobody.
Oh no, that's no. But so when them say Jamaica homophobic, I like you saw them wicked do all them things because when them say Jamaica homophobic, remember say 3 times the same black people them vote for the Prime Minister. Everybody say my big rear admiral. You all artists go up on stage and lick out on them. You understand? Yeah. And them see him and vote for him. Black people see him vote for him because he's a black man, no business about that. So when they say Jamaica homophobic worldwide, that is just a big lie. Because we Jamaican people are treated and they elect a man where them claim say where them say publicly say my rear admiral. So you understand what I'm saying? And the man we evil we old and them evil get a woman pregnant at the time. I know him them vote for because them say my white man. You understand? But no, the sea tide you know is a white man born in England and him them a run with. And this a same white man you know him get female wife pregnant when she under 16. She was under 16 is a crime that you know there's no statute of limitation to that you know. No, for Mark Golding doing Mark Golding still can't go to jail for it you know.
The age of Jamaica 16, right?
Yes, and him get her pregnant when she under 16.
16?
Yeah. Yeah, man. I yet still, you know. But them would tell us, them burn pedophile, but they not burn Mark Golding. Because them still a hypocrite. Once them like you, Jamaican people, them deal with facts, you know. And they deal with truth and justice, you know. Once them like you, from them like you, you're good to go.
Yo. And in January we come back up from Jamaica, man. I mean, I tell you, say, North Coast, you know. They say the man put up some building, man. Yeah. All the man say, the Prime Minister can't work. Nah, work.
No, man. Yeah, hey, you have to understand still, you know. Let me tell you this. And listen to me and them thing there. You see, one thing with PMP good for is to create criminals. Now I tell you that. Remember saying all of the time, you know, if you look for the history of Jamaica, you know, anytime them in a government, you know, the economy, you know, because a man can't drive a car, you know. A man can't drive an automatic vehicle, you know. You can't give him stick in him and mash up the gearbox.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Okay, the PMP never grow the economy, not one. In the 90s, when every country around the world a boom, I go down Jamaica, 40,000 people lose them business at Jamaica. And guess what? Most of them are because them are labor right.
Yeah, man.
Even all the business people that were started and murdered in a Spanish town because them are labor right. And the PMP government allow it to become this monster. Because it's not a political party, it's a criminal organization. Political party of ideas, them not have none. All them tell people is to make them like them and the boy them when they want to work and the girl them and them stand up out there and them dig out them finger and beg like them blind.
Yep. Yo, my brethren build all a black factory down and man can't get no man for work, you know.
No man.
I look like it down, you know. The man can't get no man for work, you know.
No man, everybody want big big P and
the man a pay $8,000 a day, you know. And man can't get no man for work, you know. The man up it to all 10,000 and the man still can't that. He said, we are saying this, I'm gonna work, I'm gonna come in the $50,000 and I'm live at Jamaica. Him can't make something with that $50,000 per week.
No man, I look. I never care about that and I only pay money that over $2 million a year.
Aye.
That you understand that I even more than even one police pay. But all of that, them want to get rich and them thing, them want big car and them car every day them get up and have special and them thing. So I just say it go. Yeah man, but look here, let me tell you, you see when people don't like you, them want to do all kind of things to make other people not like you and them thing. So I that them do the brother with Chris. You understand? Yeah. Because them also a Beachy Stout PM, all of them things in the room and there's no facts to it. You know? You understand? I not take up for them man and them thing because I wasn't there, but based on the conversation that I had with him. Because I like somebody did know him before, and me and him a friend, we are not a friend, we just, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You don't see it, so And I just do what the people them asking for do. I just, you know,
just keep the links on different man.
Yeah, well, I'm glad for you call, man. Yeah, man, and the video them up on the channel, man. Just look for the video them, and you understand for sure. You say the man him not involved in a killing a Beachy Stout first wife. That I just you know just because if he was if the man did anything that you understand. I just say, you know, it's when people don't like your Rasta, them come up with all kind of thing, you know. Hey, as me tell you them thing, so Blake answer the same brother, you know, the brother were a pedophile, you know, child molester, you know. The dad, and him had done, you know, for one part of Waterhouse near Moscow corner, you know. And guess what? I'll do a Blake do a video and send it to him and all them things. I tell him, say, Porter don't know nothing about the shooting, Porter not even there, I don't recall see Porter during the gas riot and them thing there. Here up now. Him literally I tell Blake say, me no busy what you want to say, him get somebody to come on and say, yeah. Them say, yeah. And guess what him say to? Him say me kill the soldier over a girl. So alright, which girl me kill him over? Or me fi kill a man over woman and me that America. Why woman name? So I saw them still, you know. You understand what I'm saying? So now the video up there, the amount of time when I try to get it off. Because him don't understand who him a deal with, you know. So every time him get somebody to complain, you understand, the video don't come down. So I tell him, say, look here, if you want the video come down, just make a public apology. I apologize and them thing and stop tell lie for me. Me now go take it down again. No man, me can't take it down, boy. I have to apologize. He have to make a public apology to make the people them know say I lie him a tell for me. Cause I know me kill the soldier. Where you gonna do that for? Because me I talk the truth about the PMP criminal organization. Up to now, you know, them say me a labor, but up to now, not one of them can say a lie me I tell. You understand?
Real one.
No, them can't say a lie me I tell. That's why they say me a labor. So basically, you're saying that labor rights are the only people in Jamaica who speak truth. I love Jamaica. Why me speak up, you know?
Hell yes.
You understand?
Hell yes.
So I just saw it go on them thing now. So me know say I hold it a flip. Me know say me have whole heap of enemy and me can't live with that. Me not a problem. I just part of life, you know.
Yeah man. Yeah man. So me will keep the links, brother.
Alright, my brother. So
alright, brother.
Alright. Yeah. So let's look for the thing them on the channel, man.
Yeah man, definitely man.
Yeah, just type in Beachy Stout. There's a playlist there for Beachy Stout and you hear it. Say this man not involved in killing the woman. All of them thing is not. Hey, look here. Is not everything. Sir P get right on the spot. And even yours, I'll even me, and everything. Look here. You have to understand still, you know. You see, informant people have agenda in time of the things, you know. I tell you that, you know. Nobody feels. Some people do it, and them do it. Yeah. Some people do it because they're a patriot. Some people do it even with a gang war, you know. The other side use women, you know, and things to supply you with information about the next gang. Cause once you weaken them, you know, a strength that for them, you know. You understand?
Yeah,
so I just saw it go on them things. So that's why, you know, anytime people say things about other people, you have to make certain so you have all the facts on them things. Because you know, see it. So I don't know what between him and Chris and them things, so you know, see it. But if look here, anyway, brother, blessed love here.
Yeah.
Yeah, later.
Yeah, man. Look more here, brother.
Yeah, cool.
All right.
Yeah, so you hear so you have listened to the conversation that we're with that caller, and so we have to explain certain things to him, and I hope you understand what is happening, because what has been happening, with these people when they come on to Detective Chris Duncan, and you have heard we have done 2 videos with the man. So if we were trying to cover up for him, when we had called him, would be we'd give him an heads up. But we didn't. We just call him and start asking him some question as a police officer. You understand? So we weren't trying to cover up anything for him. So if this man was someone who was involved. Not only that, the man would not even take our call. He would not even open up, for question and for the question that we have asked him, all the tough questions. But that is not satisfying to the PNP criminal organization supporters and activists, because that they are the roots when it comes on to crime in Jamaica. So this man was an effective detective when he was there. This is a man who makes sure that criminal pay the price where they're supposed to pay, justice. So he's gonna have a lot of enemies. So your enemies gonna spread all kind of propaganda against you, as they have done, as you have heard. I have said in this video. And the main evidence they're trying to use is hearsay. But who's coming from the hearsay? Who's the hearsay? And the person who, with that hearsay evidence, was killed by his same uncle, Beachy Stout. It is alleged. You understand? We're not privy to the investigation, but we're just repeating it from a detective perspective, based on the information received and obtained. So I want to let you know about, in Jamaica, hearsay is generally inadmissible as evidence in court. It is not admissible. So not even a murder case. You understand? The only time hearsay evidence is it is accepted in court is only in cases specific circumstances, such as in cases of sexual offences like rape, carnal abuse and all that. Anything to do with sexual offences are you understand. So just like how Juby him hold on the little girl Cheryl when she had 14, hold her, and say, give me this. Yeah, him just hold her and say, give me this. So when Cheryl would go home now and tell her mother, say, boy, mommy or mummy or mama or whatever she call her mother, she said, boy, say Juby hold me down and take it from me. And and the mother, so what? And then they take them to the station. So the mother would become a corroborating witness in that matter, because of hearsay, because she would be the first person, the daughter, Cheryl, after Juby rape her, she would be the first person. After Juby hold her down and take it, she would be the first person that would tell the mother, say, yeah, Juby hold me down and take it. So the mother would become a witness in the case. That's how hearsay evidence work in Jamaica. You understand? So hearsay evidence generally an out of court statement offer to prove the truth of a matter asserted. It is typically not admissible in court due to reliability concern. Because Jamaican people and people and all them lie. So you understand, them can just manufacture up them things. So that's why the investigator from the onset, and that's how it have to do with credibility with the complainant. Because if from the get-go, the detective would have asked the pertinent questions and find out who's who and what happened after the rape committed. So if Cheryl did not tell her mother what happened to her, and then she make a report to the police, and when the police asked her, did you tell anyone? And she said no. So the first person would be the police. But the police are investigating officer, so he would have made that in his statement. You understand? And the prosecutor would see that, and that would be known to the court. You understand? So yeah. So that's how it is. So however, there are exceptions to this rule in many legal systems, including in Jamaica. So that we want to know. So in Jamaica, in Jamaican law, there is no specific rule that hearsay can only be used, except in cases of sexual offences. You understand? So, that's a reason. So this is what they might propagate out there about this man saying, say, yeah, boy, say a Chris do it, but the only thing, so all rumor start, it start by one person. Yeah, one person. You understand? It start by a hater, then it fall on by others, and then idiots believe. You understand? So we are not idiots, so we don't believe that are them thing then. So them try everything and lie about the man. So these so you have to understand how people operate. You understand? So, in conclusion, we are expressing our frustration and our concern about allegation against this detective and other police officers and the spread of rumors or false information by PMP criminal organization, activists and supporters. That's what them good for. Tell lie on people and destroy them reputation. You understand? So that's why we're not going to allow them to destroy Detective Chris Duncan's reputation. Because this man is innocent. The man have nothing to do with it. So I just want somebody started it. As you hear the man say, the only reason why, the motive behind it is because him get the man girlfriend pregnant. And from, you see him policeman, the man girlfriend, and I saw him started. So it was done out of malice. And because him no want for, although him address it already, but that's not sufficient for the people them are thirsty. I want him blood. I want him. Them thirsty, so them still a beat on him. So we are telling out today on them thing that for the say it's just rumor. Here say nothing. And the only reason why they have been saying it is because the boy, the man, Beachy Stout nephew, the man, a child was out of the relationship with the man's girlfriend. And because apparently he may not get the jacket, and for some reason, the woman make him say, and I think the woman, him say, boy, this a pitney enough for me and them thing there. You understand? So I just saw it go. So we have to be mindful and don't just grab onto straws or all of these propaganda that these people are spreading. Because them know if you do things to destroy people's life. You understand? And their reputation and their character. And we can't tell us, Chris is a reputable, decent police officer. The man pay him dues, do him work, and that's how it is. You understand? So just remember, so rumors or allegation are being spread, particular if they are unfounded or malicious. It is crucial to address them through proper channels. But Chris can't just get up and go sue people, especially because that's rumor. Sue them for what? Because I say them ear say. You understand? They never say, So that is the reason why we are over here, addressing the matter again. Because several people have called about it and beat it on Chris. But you see, we over here now, we one thing with us, we don't support propaganda. So we just want to put this to rest. And all of these people in our various state in America, and in a diaspora, in a Jamaica, if you know, say, all of these things all of the allegation against this man is out of malice. Malice because the man did have an affair. The policeman did have an affair with Beachy Stout nephew, baby mother, and get her pregnant. And from the pregnant, you understand? And him, the policeman, do the right thing. And because the policeman was an effective detective, say criminal not gonna like you. You're going to have many enemies, just like yours truly. But yet still, them say, alright, you saw a life on it, them can't say him thief. You're the same thief, you're the same involved in drugs or anything like that. So the same modus operandi what them use against him, them use against other good police. You understand? Police who do them work and do it without fear or affection. So you understand? So we combating misinformation and ensuring accountability requires a collaborative effort from law enforcement, the judiciary and media and the community. So we can strive toward a fair and just society by upholding these principles. Working together, make sure that we don't slander people and tell lie on them. We know how the PMP criminal organization operate, and this is their modus operandi. Yeah, if they cannot control you as a police, this is how them go about and nasty up your name. Yeah man, them just say, oh, the boy them this and him that and all kind of things. I have been through it years. You understand? You don't know these people. When you're hard, that's why as a hard working police officer, you trust 3 persons, me, myself and I. Because you get set up. Police even try to set me up already. More than once. Yeah man, you understand what I'm saying? So you just have to be careful. Hard working police arrest a policeman, baby brother-in-law, him have pit me with all corrosion in 13 and beg me to give the boy a chance. But for some reason, normally, you know, I don't give people a chance. You know. So once me arrest and charge you for your crime, me I put you in front of the court. So all you want to beg on them thing there, even you tell them no, them still insist and try all kind of thing, and them will tell you, make all kind of promise, no worry, me not gonna do this and them thing there. No, you're not gonna leave me, make me left myself out there to the elements and to the mercy of the world. Me I make sure protect myself. So what I have done, you know, when them ask if a boy give boy a break, me make sure I carry the file to court. Then them send the boy go internal affairs and OPR say boy, them give me money. You understand? No truth, you know. The same detective, yeah man, and I want to tell you say him dead still low, you know. You understand? And him, you know, death I just saw it go. But and when the boy reach internal affairs and them make the report and them send call me, I just tell them say boy here, there's a warrant at the court, you know, for him, you know. So until you see him again, you know, just hold on upon him and execute the warrant because the case is still there. You understand? Cause him tell them say me never I didn't submit the file at court. But little did the detective know that I was way ahead of him, 10 steps ahead of him. A country him come well, you know, say a country him come from, but 10 steps ahead of him. Because what I didn't do, we had a book that because police in my own way, them used to sell case, you know. Yeah man, I tell you that. See, even the same detective there. He used to sell case, all kind of case. Back then, the only police that these police detectives did not send to prison are the ones that are criminal, them have people who have money. You're surprised to see how much money. Boy, we are commit crime in a ghetto, how much money can run and them walk. Them go to court and walk, or them walk from out of the station. Warrant would be there for them and them thing there. And if seeing detective don't execute the warrant on him can get money and it's, you know, write all kind of lie on the file and them thing there. You understand? So I just saw it work. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.